Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set custom notification sound on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. First of all, we will need to download an app that is called Zedge, as we cannot really change the notification sound in the settings. There is no way to do so on this device. And we need to download this app over here, so press download and let's wait a couple of seconds to install the app. There we go. After that we want to press open, and now let's wait for the app to load. Over here we need to press accept and continue. Then we can accept this. We don't really need to allow notifications, so we can press not now. Then over here tap on this cross in the top right corner. And there we go. Now over here we can immediately switch to ringtones. So let's go back to the top left corner, press on these three lines here, and go to, maybe not ringtones actually, notification sound, as this is what we want to change. And now over here we have some popular options. Of course, over here we can start searching for the sound that we wish to set as notification sound. So let's say I'm gonna choose this duck over here. I can press the play button in order to listen to it, and let's say this is the notification sound that I wish to set. So if I open the notification, I can press this download button over here, and then I can choose set notification. There we go. We need to allow permission. We need to do this only once and then go back. And then one more time. Okay, we don't really have to. Notification sound updated. So we are good to go. Now, just to check, I'm gonna go to the settings and sound and vibration. And over here, let's go to volume. And if I change the notifications volume, as you can hear, the notification sound is actually changed. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.